Hey guys, in this video I wanted to talk to you about a little thing you might miss. If you've got social media accounts and you link to them from your website, remember to post regularly on all of these accounts, otherwise that can make an impression that your website is no longer operating. For example, I've been reviewing this particular website. Obviously I don't need to mention the name in this tutorial, but when I clicked the Instagram account, it takes me to an empty profile with no posts. So for visitors not familiar with this website, it can actually indicate that the business is no longer operating. It might put them off from ordering. So actually not being active on social media can affect your sales quite dramatically. So remember, if you don't maintain regularly your social media account, either delete it or definitely don't link it from your Shopify store, because it can impact your overall sales. Either post regularly, at least once a week, so people can see that this account is maintained, that there is a post made a few days ago, so people feel the website is maintained and there is someone actively looking after the post and obviously the orders and so on, so there is someone to contact. If your social media account has got posts from, the last post from 3 months ago, that can also have a similar impact. So people will think that it's no longer operating, business could be no longer selling, no longer sending orders. They wouldn't want to risk ordering from the website. So remember that social media can also make a good or bad impression, and if you're not maintaining Instagram or Facebook, don't link it from your Shopify store. If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those two videos recommended for you here to watch next to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.